Good morning, students. Today our chapter is Good Habits and Bad Habits. This comes under discipline. We will start this chapter with a story. Read this story. Once there lived two cranes near a pond. Not far from this pond, there lived a little tortoise. Two cranes lived near the pond and a tortoise. The three of them become good friends. The three of them become good friends. You can see here from the picture. The little tortoise was rather talkative. Tortoise had a very bad habit. He was very talkative. He would never stop talking. The rainy season came by and it did not rain much that year. What happened that year? It does not rain much. So the pond soon dried up and there was no food for them. The two cranes planned to fly away. But how could they leave their little tortoise friend alone? They thought of an idea. They would carry the tortoise on a stick. They would hold the stick in their beaks and keep flying. You can see here in the picture the cranes are flying holding the stick at both the ends and tortoise is holding from in the middle. The tortoise had to hold on the stick with his teeth. They want the tortoise to keep his mouth shut and not to be talkative. They want him to not to speak much and keep his mouth shut while flying. Soon the day came and they began their journey over the fields and hills. You can see here in the picture. The two cranes were wise, so they kept quiet. This made the tortoise very angry. As he opened his mouth to say something, he lost hold on the stick and fell down and died. Now let us talk about it. The two cranes were true friends of tortoise. They found a clever way of taking him with them. The tortoise had a bad habit of talking too much. If he had learned the good habit of keeping quiet when he had to, he would have saved his life. Now what we learned? That tortoise was having bad habit and he has not learned good habit of keeping quiet when he had to. If he had learned it, then he would have saved his life. Let us learn about. All of us have some good habits and few bad habits. Talking too much is one of the bad habits. There are many others. Often we do not know our bad habits. Sometimes our parents tell us or our teachers reminds us. If we pay attention, we can stop our bad habits and pick up good ones instead. We need to do this so that we have to behave well. This is called discipline. Understood? Now see, let us think about it. Activity. Here are some good and bad habits. Color the bad habits with red. I have already done, students. See, talking too much is bad habits. Telling lies is bad habit. Being lazy is bad habit. Helping mummy is good habit. Eating on time is good habit. Caring for others is good habits. Wasting food, no, it is bad habit. Being clean and neat, it is good habit. Bad posture, it is bad habits. Clean hands, it is good habits. Wearing clean clothes, good habits. Pushing other aside, no, it is very bad habit. Throwing waste around, bad habit. And reading books is good habit. And I will do something about it. An easy way to change a bad habit is to pay good attention when someone tells you about it and remember not to do it again. See here, one activity is given. Activity. Read the list of bad habits. B. Can you see here B column? Bad habits. which I have to change. Which ones do not need to change? Now choose the good habits from list A. To overcome those habits, write those numbers in the boxes. Now here A, column A, good habits are given, and B, bad habits. Now these bad habits, which bad habits you want to change with what? I have already done it. Now talking too much is a bad habit. How you will change it? By listening to others. Telling lies is also bad habits, so you should say sorry. Laziness, how you will change it? By loving your work. Do your work, leave laziness. Being noisy, be gentle. Bad manners, now bad manners, so use please, thanks, I am sorry, excuse me more often. These are good manners. Being rough, how you will change it? By speaking softly. Pushing others aside, wait for your turn, don't push others. Wearing a grumpy face, so wear a smile on your face. Okay, here is a small prayer. Dear God, growing up is never easy. There is so much to learn and such few people to teach us right from wrong, good from bad. We find it hard to be disciplined children, but we know you love us and help us to grow into better better beings. So what we learn from this chapter? Good habits are our friends for life.